I ask a question. I ask a question. I write a report. I write a report. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I use a pencil. I use a pencil. I open my textbook. I open my textbook. I sharpen my pencil. I sharpen my pencil. I copy the notes. I copy notes. I sit near the window. I sit near the window.
I feel tired today.
I'm tired today. I sit in class. I sit in class. I write my homework. I write my homework. I go to school. I go to school. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I answer the teacher's question. I answer the teacher's question. I take notes during the lesson. I take notes during the lesson. I raise my hand before speaking. I raise my hand before speaking. I read the instructions carefully. I read the instructions carefully. I finish my assignment on time. I finish my assignment on time. I work on a group project. I work on a group project.
Let's K.
I give a presentation in class. I give a presentation in class. They give a presentation in class. I ask the teacher for help. I ask the teacher for help. I solve a difficult problem. I solve a difficult problem. I review my answers before submitting. I review answers. I participate in class discussions. I participate in class discussions.
I improve my English every day. I improve my English every day.
I complete my homework before the deadline. I complete my homework before the deadline. I ask my classmates for clarification. I ask my classmates for clarification. I try my best to understand the lesson. I try my best to understand the lesson. I correct my mistakes after reviewing my work. I pay attention during the lecture. I pay attention during the lecture. I explain my answer to the class. 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 I prepare for my exam in advance. I prepare for my exam in advance. I participate actively in classroom activities. I participate actively in classroom activities.